drying little.
Skin feels so dry. I'm back in school right now. Right now lectures have not started. I resumed like 2 days ago, I think. Yes, I resumed 2 days ago and lecture has not started. I think classes were supposed to start today actually. You know, after the election break and all. Classes were supposed to start today, but for one reason or the other, we don't have any class in my department today. So yeah, I have a lot of time on my hand for today, just today, because I feel like lectures will start tomorrow, latest tomorrow. So it's only today I have to do so many things I have to do. So I want to cook. So yeah, I also need to make my hair this. I don't think I can make my hair today. I need to make my hair this week, so we'll see how that goes. Anyways, because right now I look homeless and I have also my skin is going through it lately, like, but we're slowly getting back to normal. We're getting there anyways. So yep. Okay, so that's basically all I have to do today. So I just really want to maximize the small time I have in my hand today, because I feel like it's about to get busy. School is about to get busy. So yeah, basically what I have to do right now, cook, so just some like few errands, pick up some little stuff. I need to do little arrangements. I already like arranged my room the day I came, but I need to do little things here and there. For now, yeah, that's what I have to do for now. Oh, I'll probably see you guys when I'm cooking. Yep. Also, yeah, welcome to a new vlog. I honestly don't know how this vlog is going to turn out. But any items, I'll just take it like that, okay? Basically, I want to like film take a lot of vlogs, because this is my final semester in school. By the way, I think over from my whole university, if you don't know. And yeah, welcome to a new vlog, guys. And if you don't know this face, if you are new here, hi, my name is Hightis. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What's this intro, Jesus? Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Okay, I'll see you guys probably when I'm cooking. Bye guys. Say hi.
Sorry. Well, I'm like.
This forehead is really forehead. So I have a class in a few minutes time and I'm not running late. I was about to say I'm running late. I still have like 4 before it's time for the class. So I'd like to show you guys my hair. I already dressed up and I did my hair and I think it's okay. I think it's cute. But I'll show you guys how I did it, but there was no light when I started dressing up, so they just brought the light and I'm like, okay, let me just show you guys my hair. So that's basically all I came here to do. Okay, actually, I'm going to pick up some few items now. I'll pick them up before going for my class. I'll drop them off in the store and then go for my class. So yeah, that's the agenda right now. I still have like 40 minutes to my class, so let me just run along and get my stuff, and I'll see you guys later. I'm making my hair today and I don't know how it's going to turn out. But let's see. That color is a risk, honestly. It's a big risk. Let's see how that goes. Before I show you after. Very, very soon. Actually, I bought the wrong shade. The shade I wanted is not the one I got, and this one seems like brighter, a lot brighter than the one I wanted, so I'm scared. I just hope it turns out well, honestly. Wish me luck.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, taking this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having this place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having this place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you? Fill me up till my cup I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having a place on earth. Take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on earth.
I'm just wearing a white shirt and a mom jean, black mom jean. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, and a black bag. You guys can't really see it. I'll probably show you guys full outfits when I can. How do I look?